Science, Chapter 3, Lesson 1, Nesting Habits of Birds. A home of bird is called a nest. Birds build nests mainly to lay their eggs in them. Birds build nests in different places like on a tree, in ventilators, corners of walls, in hedges and bushes, in the barks of trees, and in the ground. Birds use different kinds of materials to build their nests. Parent birds take care of their young ones. The cuckoos never build its nest. Birds build nests in the month of February or March. Woodpecker makes a hole in the bark of a tree with its sharp beak. Coming out of the baby bird from the egg is called hatching.